Welcome back to AI News Connect. I'm Marvin, your source for daily updates on everything artificial intelligence. In today's episode, we're diving into some of the boldest and most transformative announcements shaking up the AI world this week, straight from IBM's Think 2025 conference. This is where some of the globe's leading innovators and tech powerhouses are staking out the future of enterprise computing, and AI is front and center. IBM Think 25 just wrapped up with major players like Ferrari, Meta, Lumen, and other technology giants sharing how they're leveraging AI to solve real-world problems in everything from automotive engineering to global communications. But the headline that's lighting up the tech landscape isn't just about how these companies are using AI. It's about IBM revealing a groundbreaking new approach: generative computing. And if you've spent any time in the world of large language models or prompt engineering, you're going to want to hear this. So what's the big deal? IBM's generative computing represents a fundamental rethink of how we build and interact with advanced AI systems. For years, prompt engineering, essentially crafting the exact right wording to get the desired result from an AI, has been the go-to skill for anyone trying to unlock the power of large language models. But IBM's experts argue that this approach just doesn't cut it when you start scaling up. It's inconsistent, brittle, and model-specific. As Sriram Raghavan, VP of IBM Research for AI, put it, if we keep going this way, soon we're all going to need books and books of prompts, relying on security by prayer instead of solid engineering. Generative computing aims to change all that. Rather than relying on ad hoc prompts, developers will use a new kind of structured programming for AI. Building applications via a runtime that enforces clear rules, constraints, and behaviors. This isn't just a pie-in-the-sky theory. IBM has built a framework that has already achieved results on par with AI models boasting 70 billion parameters. Except IBM is doing this with just 1 billion parameters. That means smaller, more efficient models can deliver the same level of accuracy, making AI more scalable, understandable, and secure for enterprise applications. But that's not the only major thread running through AI news this week. Let's zoom out a bit to look at the big picture. Industry-wide, AI is rapidly moving from being a tool for experimentation to becoming deeply embedded in the systems that run our everyday lives. The convergence of artificial intelligence, high-performance computing, and even quantum systems is opening up brand new possibilities in enterprise IT. Zaira Nazario, Director of Science and Technology at IBM, underscored that these aren't distant dreams. They're happening right now. Seamless integration of quantum and classical computing could soon become reality, fundamentally altering the way businesses and governments manage computation, operations, and security. What does this mean for the future of AI and, more broadly, for anyone working with enterprise technology? Here are a few of the transformative shifts already underway, as highlighted at Think 2025 and echoed across the AI landscape. First, there's a push toward making AI systems less of a black box and more reliable, rule-based, and transparent. Structured programming for AI could make development cycles more predictable and help organizations ensure compliance, governance, and ethical standards right from the start. Second, efficiency matters more than ever. Achieving the same results as massive models with only a fraction of the computational power could dramatically reduce costs and energy consumption, making AI more accessible and sustainable for companies of all sizes. Third, interoperability and hybrid computing are becoming the new norm. As enterprises demand more from their digital operations, the integration of AI with quantum and high-performance computing is expected to accelerate breakthroughs in everything from complex data analytics to materials science. Of course, all this momentum does come with new challenges. Security, privacy, and the growing complexity of AI systems require even more robust strategies, especially as more critical infrastructure gets AI-powered upgrades. As these technologies roll out, there's an urgent need for clear guidelines and international standards to ensure responsible growth. As we look forward, it's becoming clear that the next generation of AI won't just be about smarter models. It's about rethinking the foundational methods we use to design, deploy, and scale AI systems across industries. The move from prompt-driven to generative computing could be a true paradigm shift, ensuring that AI grows not just in power, but in reliability, usability, and societal benefit. That wraps up today's deep dive from the cutting edge of AI innovation. I'm Marvin, and you've been watching AI News Connect, your daily window into the future of technology. If you found today's episode insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and turn on notifications so you never miss a groundbreaking update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more AI news that matters.